Hey my loves, it's beautiful Black Rican. I am coming to you today to share a haul. Yes, I have a haul from BH Cosmetics. They had a 65% off situation, and who had to jump on the boat? I did. Yes, I did. So anyway, let's get busy. Let's hurry up and do this because luckily my husband is gone for a moment. I can get this video done here quickly and show you some goodies, okay? Now, the first thing that I am going to show you is, let's go. This is the BH Studio Pro Matte Finish Pressed Powder. This is, you know what? Let me get some glasses.
My glasses! I can't see without my glasses!
My glasses!
Okay, boom. This is shade 255. All right, this is what she looks like. And this is her color. I purchased her to do the contouring of it all. All right, boom, here we go. Next, we have the, this is the Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. This is in yellow. Let's take it out, and boom. In yellow. Next, we have another concealer. This one is in white. Let's take her out. Here's her box, and here she is. All right, next on the board is the Under Eye Brightening Powder. Boom. And let's open her up and take her out. This is what she looks like. And this is the Fair Light. All right, boom. Next we have the Base Booster Glitter and Shadow Glue. Boom. This is what the glitter base booster looks like. Can't wait to try her and see if she really holds that glitter in place. All right. Next on the agenda is the BH Metal Liquid Lipstick. I'm excited about this because I love color, you guys, on my lips. Look how pretty. Oh my God. And let me swatch her real quick for you. Ooh. This color is called Esmeralda. I can't wait to do a look using this pretty color right here. All right, next we have the Power Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner. And she's not there because I actually took her out already. Here she is in the color Nude. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And let's swatch her. I love it. Comes out very soft, very, very pretty. Boom. That is one. And then I got another one here. This is the Royal Blue. Royal Blue. And again, she's already out. She's in the box, unwrapped and ready to go. Here she is. And on camera, she actually looks teal, but she is really blue. Very pretty color, you guys. Can't wait to use her. And then I have one more. This is teal. She will be used with that pretty lipstick I just showed. This one, let's swatch her. Look how pretty. Very creamy, just ready to be used. I cannot wait. Boom. Then I have this cute brush. This is the 6 Detailing Fan Brush. Boom. Let's take her out real quick. Take that off. Look at that. Look how cute. Thin and ready. Yes, honey, yes. All right. And then I also have brush 11 flat eyeliner. Boom. And let's take her out the box. And here's this brush. Boom. Again, that was the brush 11 flat eyeliner brush. All right, and then we have a HD brow pencil. Let's open this one up real quick. And this is what she looks like. Here's the top, the pencil. And then, of course, turn her around and you have a spoolie. Boom. All right, and last but not least, we have a waterproof lip liner. And this is in nude. And let's swatch her. This is what she looks like. And swatch. Boom. This is the BH Liquid Lipstick. I can't wait to use it, so I'm gonna try it on real quick right now before you go. Oh yeah. She is very pretty, you guys. I love her. So anyway, you guys, this is it for my BH Cosmetics haul. I am very happy with the products. That's at 65% off. Really helped the sisters' pockets. So anyway, you guys, this is it for my BH Cosmetics haul. A video using all of these products will be coming soon, so please check back for that video. I love you guys. I thank you for stopping by my channel. Remember, beauty is ageless. Bye-bye, everybody.